In this video we're gonna use Tora software to solve simplex method linear programming applying simplex method. So we start by defining the problem. We have to maximize 5x1 plus 4x2, and this is a problem as it is. We're mixing both interior and exterior panes. We have to maximize 5x1 plus 4x2, which is a profit per ton, subject to the following constraint. Everything is mentioned here in the table and in the given. So the objective function here 5x1 plus 4x2 subject to the following constraints, the one we have here. Okay, so we go to the Tora software as it is and we start Tora. Click here. Okay, linear programming, starting a new problem. How many decimal notation? Go to the input screen. Simplex. Method, number of variable 2, and number of constraint. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 constraint, or 4 constraint, because both are supposed to be positive. So we have 5 constraint. 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 4 constraint, and enter. So x1, x2, 5x1 tab 4x2, 6, 4, 24, 1, 2, 6, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, less or equal to 2. Okay, so solve menu. Do you want to push the data? No. Solve a problem, algebraic, iteration, or stack, starting solution. Go to the output screen. Okay, so this is the first matrix as we did in the class. This is the values we put here, the coefficient, and we have the basic variable at instant 0, non-basic variable x1 and x2. Next iteration, the one in green is the one pivot column, and the one in red is pivot row, and the element is 6. So if you go back to your notebook, the one we did in the class, we could see the values here as it's supposed to be. We considered only those 2 columns and the values here, and we disregarded those values. For the next iteration as it is, we obtain the solution. In iteration 3 is optimal. We obtain the solution. For z, it is equal to 21, x1 is 3, and x2 is 1.5. okay, so this is how to use Tora in order to solve simplex method, to solve linear programming models.